Hello students, here is Mamta Madam. Today I am going to share the GK answers from lesson 1 to 10. You can take the screenshot and write down the answers in your GK book. Let's start. First chapter is your green wealth. In this chapter, we are going to read about the fascinating flora and fauna of the India. And in this chapter it is covered, you will come to know about the different states and also different type of forests here and different type of plants and the animals. And all the answers I have already ticked marked here. And don't forget to go through the sounds interesting of all the chapters. Read this portion here. Come to the next lesson. Second lesson is about the dainty deer. Dainty means the small and the pretty deer. And here the descriptions given about the so many type of deers are here. The one is the southern pudu, the Sangai, the musk deer, the Alaskan moose, and here the reindeer. All the descriptions given here, and I have underlined some portions. Just you go through, and here down you'll see the different type of the deer are here. I have already marked here and also made the circle here. You all just see this one. Turn the next page. This is about the first in India. So in this chapter you will come to know about the first stamp. Here is the first newspaper, first successful heart transplant in India, India's first 5-star hotel, India's first totally literate district, the first batch of women joined the Indian Army. Then here is the first high-rise building in India, the first Indian city to introduce cellular phone service, India's first permanent manned research station in Antarctica, India's first 3D film, India's first women's college. So this one you'll read here. Then the next one you find here. Let's play. It is about the term associated with the sport. You'll come to know about the various sports and the some ideas given here, some clues given here. By that you can find out the term. Already I have written down the answers here. And sound interesting also you go through. Here also in the help box I have already marked also. Turn the next page. The lesson 5, it is about the fun with words. With the help of clues given in the brackets, identify the correct phrase to complete the sentences. Here you will find some phrases are here and here also given some clues. So which one is appropriate for which one, which fill up the blanks? You just choose from here in the help box and you write down. Already I have marked it here. Then next one you come, find the words which have both these meanings. So here double meanings are there, dusting, seed, weather and the screen. So already written down, you just write down in your book. Then come to the lesson 6. Lesson 6 about the useful crops. So you just go through the question and then fill up. You have to choose in the help box. So crops names are there. So you have to choose and write down. I have already marked it here. You just note it down. Come to the lesson 7. It is about the southern sojourn. Sojourn means the temporary stay. And here you will find about the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala along with the Union territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry constitute the South India. So here about the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, you will find all the informations here. So all the fill up the blanks also have done here. About the cities, you will get some idea about the states and about the some monuments also, some informations given here. According to the clues, you have to write down the various monuments name here. And here this side also same way, the name them. The beach in Kerala, that is a popular tourist attraction. Likewise, all this you have to fill up and underline the correct answer. 2 options are here and you have to choose the which one is the correct one. I have already done it for you and underlined all this. And the pictures also you mark. Turn the next page. The fantastic fabrics. Chapter 8 is the fantastic fabrics. Here this chapter you will come to know about the various fantastic fabrics of the India and which states are associated with which fabrics. Just you see all these clues are given here. Some places are there, some towns are there famous for particular some fabrics. Here the help box also you will find the answers. I have already marked and written down the answers here. Come to the next one. The chapter 9, the common disorders. So you find here, identify the disorders with the clues given here. Suppose the number 1, it causes the inflammation of the stomach and small intestine leading to acute diarrhea. So it is the gastroenteritis is here. So likewise in the sound interesting also you have to read, and the help box is here. I have also marked it here and also written down the answers in the space here. You go through all this and complete it. Help box also you see all the numbers I have put here. So you mark it here. And turn the page. Lesson 10. The lesson 10 is about the protecting the wildlife. Here you will find, go through the so many about that wildlife sanctuaries are located in which state. You have to find out here. Here all the wildlife sanctuaries named, all this mentioned here, and they belong to which state. It is also mentioned here. Help box also I have marked. You go through all this, and here which sanctuaries or which wildlife sanctuaries are famous for which particular animals. It is also marked here. In the help box also I have marked this one here. You just go through all this and write down all the answers in your book. Next you come to this side. Identify these animals found in India. So here are also pictures given here. After the pictures I have mentioned their name here. This side underline under the pictures, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Help box also I have marked here. All the numbers, you go through this help box and also written down the answers, and you complete in your book and learn all the answers during the holidays now. Thank you.